How can an injured victim get the truck driver's dash camera video footage if they want to bring a personal injury claim against the truck driver and the trucking company for a serious injury personal injury claim? There is only one way to get this critical piece of evidence. Obviously, the truck driver's dash camera video footage of how the accident happened is the be-all, end-all. It is the best eyewitness. It is the best evidence to demonstrate, number one, exactly what the truck driver was doing at the time of the accident, and number two, have a clear picture of how the truck accident actually occurred. If the injured victim and their lawyer want to get their hands on the truck driver's dash camera video footage, the best way to do this is immediately file a lawsuit against the truck driver and the company and immediately serve a subpoena for documents on the trucking company itself. This will compel the trucking company to not only preserve the video footage, but will also require the trucking company to provide the dash camera video footage to the injured victim and their lawyer in about 30 days. Obviously, this will be critical evidence in determining exactly how the trucking accident happened and determining and showing the judge or jury how exactly the truck driver and the truck company are at fault for the accident. If you have any questions regarding how an injured victim can bring a serious injury truck accident claim in the state of Maryland, feel free to call me. I do this every single day and would love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.
667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law.